My name is Una and I love collage. So this is Patch. He gives me all the ideas, but don't tell anybody that, will you? What I love about collage is that you are playing with materials which already exist. Anybody can do it. Collage is a brilliant way of getting for inspiration, just in terms of not having to start on a blank piece of paper. You're already looking at pre-existing images. So you can sit down, you look through your magazines, and something will grab you. Give me a high five. Good boy. I suppose inspiration is the thing that just really makes you want to pick something up and create something. It could be an idea, it could be just a feeling, it could be just something that really grabs you, that you just go, okay, I have to do something about this. Inspiration is to be found everywhere, and the city is an incredible source of inspiration. You might see a building that you go, what is that building about? And then you go and you research it, and then you find, oh my God, what used to be the largest windmill in Europe is just down the road from me. So it's a constant source of inspiration if you just open your eyes. So inspiration is all around you.